Hello, you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Недачина. Early next week, our eyes will be turned to the following macroeconomic events. On Monday, Germany will release preliminary November data on the Consumer Price Index. Analysts forecast an insignificant rise of 0.1% compared to the previous months. It's noteworthy that inflation stagnated in October. The zero growth was in line with the preliminary estimates. Compared to the same months last year, the inflation level increased by 0.3%, meeting the forecast. Experts suppose that low energy prices became the main reason for the slowdown in the inflation growth. On Tuesday, the manufacturing PMI data will see the light of day in China. Economists expect that the indicator remained at the same level of 49.8 points. In October, the manufacturing PMI was at the level of 49.8 points, staying below the threshold of 50 points for 3 months in a row. The 50-point level separates expansion from contraction. At the same time, reports from Caixin and Market, which published their own PMI data, showed that the indicator has been declining for 8 months in a row. Such data can cause even more concerns that China's economy will not be able to accelerate in the fourth quarter of the year. The private research is focused on small and medium companies, which are experiencing serious difficulties due to China's economic slowdown. However, government mainly focuses on large public organizations. On Wednesday, the Bank of Canada will announce its December decision on the key interest rate. Experts suppose that the interest rates will be remained unchanged at the level of 0.5% per annum. At the previous meeting, the benchmark interest rate was also remained at the same level of 0.5%. According to the experts at Deutsche Bank, the Bank of Canada will keep the interest rates unchanged until 2016, as there are signs of the economic acceleration. However, prospects of the economic growth in 2016 can become bleak because of the world's economic situation in general and the US economy in particular. Besides, the following macroeconomic events will be published early next week. On Monday, Japan will publish the industrial production data. The US will report on Chicago PMI and pending home sales. On Tuesday, Australia will reveal the building approvals data, and the Reserve Bank of Australia will announce its interest rate decision. The UK will report on the manufacturing PMI. Canada will publish the GDP statistics, and in the USA, the Institute of Supply Management will disclose the manufacturing PMI data. On Wednesday, Australia will report on the economic growth, and the US will publish the ADP non-farm employment data. Besides, Federal Reserve Chairperson Janet Yellen will make a speech. It was Forex Traders Calendar for the next week. Have a nice trading with ИнстаФорекс.